proceed throughout the earth and try to robbery for the non-Muslim wealth, as the Muslims are killing the non-Muslims in the name of Islam, or was killing, and they were destroying the temples, synagogue, fire temples, churches, and other holy pieces, worship places of, as the Harmandir Sahib was destroyed twice by these Muslims. But some Khalistanis are making friendship with these Muslims. A true Muslim, if he do accordingly, is a perfect terrorist. This Quran is a clear statement, the people and the guidance, instruction for those who consist of Allah. Yes, this Quran is a clear statement to the Muslims that if you are the true Muslim, you have to kill the non-Muslims. You have molested the non-Muslim woman. You have to loot or robbery or kidnapping or capturing the non-Muslim woman. This is the clear message of Allah. Means Allah is a head of the gangster of the criminals. The Ibrahim is too much smaller criminal than to this Allah. Every Muslim is too lower grade criminal than to this Allah. Do not weaken and do not grieve, and you will be superior if you are true believer. This is only the blasphemy. This is only the stupidity that any Muslim can be superior to any non-Muslim. This is only the war cry, Allahu Akbar, and this only increasing the criminals of the gang, which are the true Muslims, for the criminal activities, for their vested interest. Last verse. If a wound should touch you, there has already touched the opposing people a wound similarity. If a wound touch you, means if you wounded by the sword of the another non-Muslim, the same wound will be that non-Muslim. What is a stupidity? And these days of very encouraging, we alternate among the people, so that Allah may make evidence those who believe and may take to himself from among you martyrs, and Allah does not like that wrongdoer. It is very, very irony fact that if a Muslim kill the non-Muslim, he will go to heaven. If a Muslim killed by a Muslim, then he will go also in heaven. Means Quranic Allah provoke the Muslims to end either the non-Muslim lives or themselves lives. So Allah and his stupidity cannot run in this day. Thank you very much. See you.